Hi everybody, and welcome to Class FitSugar. I'm fitness personality and talk show host Katie Austin, and today I'm here to guide you through a simple yet effective 15-minute cardio workout that is all about having fun. This session is sponsored by GNC. This workout is all body weight as well, so no equipment needed, and you guys can knock out your cardio anytime, anywhere. All right, you guys, so step onto your mat. We're gonna start with a few deep breaths. So, feet a little bit more than hip distance apart. Inhale, get all the oxygen to your lungs, and exhale. As you exhale, really roll those shoulders out as well to release that neck tension. Inhale, hold it at the top, and let it go. Great, one more big deep breath in. Oxygen equals energy, roll it out, and now give me a nice little shoulder roll right here. So, shoulder roll, adding a little bounce in your lower half as well. And now let's work with big arm circles. So take it back and back. Wonderful, right here, opening up your chest, focusing on your breath as well. And in just 15 minutes, you guys are going to feel so much more energized, more positive, and feel great. So here we go for 5, 4, 3, elongate that arm back for 2, and 1. Come now side to side in slow side lunges to really get that booty activated, but also feel that stretch. If you guys want to hold for just a second longer and feel that inner thigh stretch, go for it. Whatever feels right to you right here. Inhale and exhale. Again, feel free to hold right here, feel that stretch. We're just getting our blood flowing. Great, last one. And as you guys finish that last one, I want you guys to drop it low for some nice body weight squats. So great posture, pushing off your heels. Again, working a little bit more of the booty right here, your thighs. Getting them nice and fired up. Squeeze them at the top. Good posture, wonderful. For 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Now, I want you guys to turn to the side, do a nice heel dig. So dig that heel into the ground, sweep through, really stretching out your hamstrings right here. A nice dynamic warm up. So really making sure that heel is digging into the ground, and we have a sweep through. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome work, you guys. Shake it off right here. We got a step touch. So come into a step touch, making sure our lower half is loose. Beautiful. Get a little bit lower right here as well. This entire workout is low impact. Easy on the knees, easy on the joints. And if you guys can, sink a little bit lower every time. Wonderful. Woo! Have fun with it. I want you guys to enjoy this workout. It's not meant to intimidate you. Here we go. Now let's add a double squat walk. A double squat walk. Great. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Get even lower. Here we go. Really feeling this in your thighs, in your booty. And exhale. We're gonna make it a little more challenging with a nice calf raise at the top. Squat walk to calf raise. Great, stay with me. Making sure you're really tightening your calves at the top too. Tighten, squeeze them. We wanna make sure we're getting lean, long legs right here. Last 2. Quick, yet effective. We're going through the moves a little fast. We only got 15 minutes, last one. And relax. As you guys relax, slow high knees right here. Slowing down your heart rate just a little bit after that. Breathe in and exhale. Zip up that core. Breathe in. Good posture. And now let's add our arms. So take your arms overhead and making sure you're really driving that knee towards your opposite elbow, working those obliques. Now let's speed it up. Every time you crunch, let me hear you exhale. Beautiful. How are we feeling? Nice work. Hopefully you guys are smiling at home doing this workout with me. I'm so happy you decided to join me here on POPSUGAR. Here we go. Woo! Now, let's add a punch across. In 3, 2, 1, punch across. Get into it. Any anxiety you have going on right now, any stress, punch it out. Drive that knee towards your chest still. Working those abs, you got it. punch across, and exhale. All right, this next move, we're gonna do the same movement with our knees, that knee drive, but now adding a squat. So squat to knee drive. Great, here we go. Getting our lower half working a little bit more, making sure you're really powering up that knee. Exhale at the top. Getting our lower half, our core. Give it all you got right here. 110% effort. This workout is a perfect thing to do if you're low on time. Right next to your work desk, in a hotel room. Beautiful. For 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Shake it off. We have low impact jumping jacks. Yes, jumping jacks can be low impact. So take a deep breath right here. Let it all go. And now, side to side, just like this with our lower half, okay? And exhale. Great. Utilizing those back muscles as well as you raise your hands above your head. Feel free to go as fast as you want, as slow as you want. If you guys want to do regular jumping jacks, you can do that too. Make sure you're challenging yourself. Breathe in, exhale. 5, almost there. 4, 3, we're gonna give our arms a rest in 2. Same thing with our lower half though. In 1, right here, getting a little lower, side taps. Beautiful, narrow squat to side tap. Great, keep breathing. If you guys wanna add a little bit of a twist as well, working that core, this move is harder than it looks. Making sure you're staying low, you got it. Elongate that leg. Great, we have 5, almost there. Feel that burn in your thighs. Last 2, last 1. Shake it off, shake it off. Next, I want you guys to step to the end of your mat right here. Breathe in. As you guys exhale, come down into reverse lunge. So reverse lunge right here, hold that, come right back up and switch. Continuously alternating right here, you guys. Working your thighs, but also making sure you have great posture in this. Abs are in tight. That front knee is not going over that front toe. Wonderful. Now we're gonna level it up just a little bit. We're gonna add a double pulse in 3, in 2, double pulse in 1, 2. Wonderful, staying low, you guys got this. Here we go, woo! Have fun with it, adding that bounce. Hey, hey, nice work. Breathe in and out. Almost there. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. And back to that step touch. Step touch, step touch. Have fun with it, you guys. We're gonna add our arms now. So reach, reach, step, touch. Working that side body. Awesome work. We are almost there. Woo! Keep breathing. Breathe in and exhale. Now we got some hamstring curls right here. So tap that foot behind, almost like a booty kick, but a hamstring curl. Nice work. Woo! I just want to say, it doesn't matter what you look like doing these. I just want you guys to have fun. We're breaking a sweat. We're getting in our cardio. Almost there. Here we go for 6, for 5, 4, crush it, for 2, and 1. Shimmy, shake it off, and now join me at the end of your mat. So we're right here, another deep breath, and as you exhale, slowly walk your hands down into a high plank. As you walk your hands down, hold that high plank for 3 seconds, and then walk right back up. Feel that stretch as you come right up. Nice leg stretch. Roll out your shoulders, last but not least. Slow and steady, making sure we're squeezing our booty, squeezing our abs as we come to that high plank. Wonderful. Here we go, last plank walk down. We're gonna hold that high plank. If you guys need to hold for a second longer to really feel that stretch, great. When you're ready, come down into that high plank. Hold that high plank right here. Abs are in tight. I want you guys to give me slow cross mountain climbers. Drive the opposite knee to that elbow, slow. Here we go, let's work that core. Making sure your shoulders are in line with your hands. Your body is parallel to the floor. Here we go, push yourself. Woo! Working those obliques. 6, 5, almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax those knees slowly to the mat. What I want you guys to do now is give me a cat-cow. So round out that back, a little bit of a breather right here. And exhale, stretching out that low back. Great work. Catch your breath right here. Inhale and exhale, wonderful. Last one. And whenever you are ready, come back into a tabletop position right here. This next move is a tough one, but you guys are going to crush it. I want you guys to do some bear crawls. So we're still here in a tabletop position, right? Pick those knees up off the mat. Opposite foot and hand come up. Walk yourself, crawl up that mat, and then crawl right back down. This one is a beautiful low impact cardio move. Here we go. It's super tough, but we're almost at the end of this workout. So I want you guys to push yourself. Here's where it's gonna count. Nice work. Core tight. It's a great core workout as well. Woo! Last one, down and back up the mat. Stay strong. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Release those knees towards the mat. I mean, I am sweating hardcore right now in only 15 minutes. So come back to that high plank right here. Hold it, hold, hold, hold. Whenever you are ready, start to walk those hands back towards your feet. Hold it out right here. Make sure your neck is neutral. Feeling that stretch along your thighs, your legs, slowly rolling up each vertebrae at a time right here. Breathe in and exhale. We are back to that step touch. All right, we are not stopping to move. Here we go. Breathe in and exhale. Wonderful. One more big deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Next up is one of my favorite moves. So I want you guys to come right here in a nice static squat position. Hold that squat, come up and punch it out. All right, squat, box. Here we go. Finish this workout strong. We are almost there. Making sure you're also twisting that torso. I want you guys to really pull through with that punch, using those hips as well. Here we go. And exhale. Get into it. Here we go. Power through. Woo! 5, 4, 3, don't give up on me, 2, and 1. Back to that step touch. We have a nice minute cool down right now, okay? So let's slow our heart rate down just a little bit. Breathe in, and exhale right here. Great work, you guys. Now we're gonna go back to how we started with those nice big deep breaths in and exhale. Again, rolling out those shoulders just a little bit. Roll them out. Breathe in and exhale. Now big arm circles. Here we go, slowing it down. We really worked our entire body in this workout as well. Hopefully you're breaking a sweat like me at home. Great. And now let's stretch out our inner thigh. So come down in the same position, turn that shoulder in. Really feel your hips open up. Great. And switch. Feel free to stretch any more after this workout, repeat it 2 times through. If you guys want a 30-minute cardio workout, last switch right here. Come on up, shake it off, woo! And there you go. That is your 15-minute cardio workout. Hopefully you guys are feeling energized, you're feeling motivated and confident to tackle whatever you have going on the rest of your day. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and this workout was brought to you by GNC, so thank you so much to GNC as well. Make sure to visit gnc.com for more info, and I will see you guys at your next Class FitSugar workout. Bye guys.